Hello and welcome, and today we're going to be talking about some incredible cashback opportunities because Qtickets has just partnered up with iPay, and thanks to that you can save up to 30 Riyal on all your purchases online on Qtickets. Here's a breakdown. So up to 45 Riyal you're going to be saving 10 Riyal, and if you're spending more than 45 Riyal and up to 90 Riyal you're going to be getting 20 Riyals back, and if you're spending more than 90 Riyals online you're going to be getting a massive 30 Riyal cashback. So how do we do it? Let's go through it now. So first, we're going to start off the Qtickets application, which if you haven't downloaded yet, it's available on the Google Play or the App Store. We're going to select Javan as the movie. We're going to select a date that we want to go to, pick our seats, proceed to pay. Proceed to pay now. Select our nationality and select iPay as the payment option. Once that is done, we're going to be placing in our phone number that is registered on iPay. Proceed. We're going to be entering our OTP. And just like that, we're booked. Now, if you must know, the offer is only valid till November 5th. So hurry up and avail this incredible opportunity and bring along your friends so you can more than double the cashback. I'm actually late for a show, so I'm going to be heading off, but you guys stay here and watch this video on how you can set up the iPay account. We'll see you guys next time.